Who's this go to?
Oh, my bad. Yo, so we finna do a real quick food review on these tamales real quick. Let's do it.
Let's see what these about, nigga.
Let's go.
This shit better be busted.
And then it comes to me after.
Yo, where are you? Gilbert! Hey, Gilbert! Gilbert! Josiah! Hey, Gilbert! Josiah! Gilbert, where are you?
I just hit the wall for 60 miles per hour. Don't fuck with me.
You hit the what? The wall?
No, she fell down 60 miles.
Oh, no!
I was like, what do you mean you just hit the wall?
Josh! No, you can't. Get your ass over here real quick.
Come back.
Hit that real quick. Because I know you haven't hit it.
We shout out
Can you say hi real quick? Can you just say hi? Hey!
Josh in this bitch.
Okay, and now you can go. Let's go! Hey, yeah, this is the uncut version. Let's go.
On the outside.
Let's go. Okay, now you can go.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Now you can go peace.
Have you hit this one yet? Oh, okay, for sure.
I know, you want the thing, I was like, wait a second, I'm confused.
Yeah, okay. Yo, let's do this review real quick. Let's open these hoes up.
Mukbang.
Yes, sir. Don't even play. Look, bro. I got this hoe. Came equipped. Check this shit.
That's a live ass camera, bro. Like, for real.
Can you hold that real quick?
Yeah. Oh, fuck, my fault.
That's my. Yeah, I kind of pulled on that.
Alright, so like,
Look at this shit.
Am I doing that the right way? Hey, what's up, y'all? How y'all doing? How y'all feeling?
Another banger, you feel me, right?
Back with another banger. You know, welcome to Mute Spitter.
Check it.
You feel me? I'm with my fucking nigga YB.
Let's go.
My nigga and me.
Don't crash!
Oh, fuck! That nigga fit it though. Yo! He fit it though. Okay. Alright, bro, let's see what these.
Hold up.
Let's see what
So
these about,
none of us gotta even hold this hoe. Let me just.
fucking tripod. She
Yes,
said
sir.
spinach and what?
Spinach and cheddar, or spinach and like feta, or hold on. Let me put this one down.
I want to taste
Hold
this shit
up.
already. This shit's
We'll go right here. Phone or camera, don't film me.
Alright, cuz,
Hey,
Might
look.
have
these
to
bitches
lean
gonna be
down just a
bitches,
tad-
but I
a
love
tad
them
bit.
hoes. Hey, call me before
Hey.
you come, just.
She
Take
think
y'all's
I'm
bite in
cool.
the take your bite in the camera, and then
Cheers.
we'll all give our
Cheers.
opinion. Cheers. Woo.
Very, adds a little pizzazz to it, honestly. I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. I'm gonna be honest.
Back up.
And that's coming from I'm Chef Ramsey's son, bro, so I would know my shit. So.
10. What you got?
You know what I mean? Yogi B, hold on, let's take another bite real quick. Let's go.
Chew it up, taste it, breathe it in, breathe it out.
That was good.
What you trying to say?
Bro,
that was
What
good.
you trying to say?
Cream cheese, spinach. You can't miss it, baby. You can't miss
Hey,
it.
so rating.
9.5, almost 10.
Hey, what would have made it better?
Be careful.
Chicken.
Chicken.
Be careful. Be careful, please.
Hot sauce.
You
Hey,
what the fuck? Don't tell me.
fucking hot sauce.
Hey, what is it? Cream cheese?
Yeah.
Cream cheese and spinach.
Hot sauce.
Guys, try it, nigga.
They said it was good. So far we got it.
On me, bro.
What you thinking?
Yo. I tried. Trust me.
Talk your shit.
Talk your shit.
Nigga.
Talk your shit.
Give your
Talk your shit.
for sure.
Alright, hold on. Give me a second.
Taste it.
Wait a minute. Okay. Where? What?
Nah.
I was thinking I'd probably give this tamale a 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. Yes, sir.
Yo, who would have
Okay, that's so
known?
good.
Granny's tamales. Who would have known?
All 9 out of 10.
I didn't know. I didn't know.
Hey,
Now I do.
Who would have knew Grandma's tamales fucking suck?
This man here.
Hey, 1 was being the 0 was being the best, 10 being the worst. That shit was ass.
Hey, check it though. If it didn't have the cream cheese and spinach in it, maybe it would have been smack. If it was original pork.
So what you just want? You want
Original pork.
Hollow tamale.
Nah, original pork. Original pork.
Just straight flour.
Original pork.
Oh yeah.
Hold on.
Oh yeah.
Original.
You can't go
Original
wrong
pork.
with old reliable.
Exactly. Original pork.
Yeah, for sure. One more time for the views. Fuck 12. Fuck 12.
Hello. Oh, Bryce. I love you.
I love you too.
It's so dark, I can't even see anyone right now.
Damn, honestly, don't take that shit at free point away. It's before. No, Mama said.
Right here, these sexy motherfuckers. You can't even see you. You look like a shadow. I cannot see you at all right now. I need more light.
What's up?
I'm gonna make like an hour-long movie of our.
Can't see me at all?
No, I can't. The light's not good right now.
This is like
you're like half face right now. You're half
This is
face.
okay. What do you want me to say? Answer you. Who knew Yogi B, the greatest rapper motherfucking alive, right now, sitting here next to me, right now, this video right here, this is gonna be famous one day.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Let's go. That is my. This. Oh, where's my speaker? That's my speaker. Oh, it's on the Twisted Tees.
On the
Can
Twisted
you
Tees?
can you check? It's right there on the floor.
On the floor. Okay.
The Twisted Tees. I hope he didn't throw up on them, huh? On that, huh?
Be careful, especially with spring.
Thank you so much, Alex. I appreciate you, fam. I'm gonna go put it. Oh, this is your whip right here, right?
Can you ride with Emerson? Cause we got a full whip.
Where are we going?
199. We about to do.
I didn't even know.
Oh, where you was over there, bro?
I bet Josiah don't even know.
Nah, he do.
Okay. Well, damn. For sure. Y'all something else.
Hey, where have you been?
Around, ho. Love y'all.
They were like, oh. You're leaving too?
I guess. I didn't even know until right
You're
now.
recording everybody, but you can't record your wifey.
You know what I'm doing right now. Don't even play. Love you too.
Get your little ass down.
Hey, yo.
Hey, that's what I'm doing too. I guess, right?
Yeah, y'all two ride with Emerson.
Let's go. Well,
We about to do. We about to do.
well, I'm trying to hit this blunt and take a piss.
And I told him, as soon as I said, like, that's not.
Where are we at?
Yo. Pull up real quick. Passenger side. Did he get down?
What'd they say?
They said they're just chilling.
Alright. Alright.
Yeah, they said they're just chilling. That's all they said.
Yeah, what's the move? Shit, we
We're
don't
trying to
know.
find the same thing.
We was just gonna pull up on somebody,
Jazz Fest, fam. I'm telling you, Jazz Fest. Jazz Fest. Live music, food, vendors.
It's all fucking dark. Can't see shit.
Jazz Fest, fam. It's till 12.
but y'all from here or nah?
Okay, yeah.
Alright, sure.
Telling y'all. I'm telling them.
Go for it.
Jazz Fest, bro.
I guess
they
just drive down a
slacking.
little more if
They
not
are
fucking
slacking
Jazz Fest.
right now. Jazz Fest is the move. Drinks, food, live music.
Alright, sure.
Can't hate.
It's so dark.
I race you. Pink slips.
Ooh, this man.
Then there's cops all around this bitch, I never play. Make sure that I blast off when I see the lights. I take off, they ain't never gonna stop me right. I be taking off like a fucking shooting star. I be out here trying to make sure that I'm in my car speeding. I ain't sleeping. I've been out here doing my own things for my own reasons. Then they caught that nigga in a 2-seater. Hit me in a Yukon, not a Beamer. Make sure that my brother's in the cedar. Make sure that they blast off in the window. I ain't never been a hoe. My niggas out here making sure these triggers blow. I ain't never had no light triggers, no happy squeezers. They be triggered when they see some beef. Yeah, I'm with ya and your bitch, and they make sure that we ain't steaming. We be dreaming.
Squeeze it. Take this left, then take a fucking right. At the next light, if you can, take you to Heritage Park where the jams be playing all night till 12 o'clock. Yes, you know that we trying to hit the spot. Little bit of jazz, little bit of rock.
Can't fuck with no cop, can't stop at a red light.
Hey, take a right up here.
Low key, I'm finna sub with the stripes.
Okay, for sure.
Cause I gotta pee, and ain't no one gonna
I ain't even
stop
got no
me.
shoes. I can't
gotta
even take a
make sure
piss.
that- Where your shoes at?
In Alex's whip.
Keep it 50 fish.
Keep it 50 fish.
Keep it very, very straight.
I'm buff just like Kimbo.
Yeah.
Fucking that bitch, she bend over doing a limo.
Hey,
Limbo.
limbo.
Been feeling like I'm in limbo.
Got my shit tinted like it's a limo.
On my windows.
Got that limo tint. Got that limo tint. I ain't never stopping at green lights, red lights. I'ma make sure that I run that shit all night. Ain't no cop gonna stop me. Cause I'm riding around with my Glocky. And it's a whole 40. Let it blast, please. If you wanna come and try me, please try me. I've been out here skipping class sessions, classes in session, y'all are in detention. I've been doing my own thing, and if you wanna talk your shit, man, I got a whole ring you can kiss, cause I'm the king of this shit. You try to stop me, I pull up on this blick. I got it, I like it, that shit at 10K, but I ain't even worried about it, cause I make sure that the whole 10 spray, and I ain't never gonna pray, cause God knows that he got me, and I got him. I ain't never cocky, I got these all bad bitches around me, trying to make sure that they get all this coxy. They been trying to make sure that they choke on this bitch maybe, but I mean, I don't know. I've been out here fucking around with these groupie hoes, cause they trying to tell me they love the dough, so I ride around in their boyfriend's car though. Tell
Ain't gonna
me
lie,
that
I've been
drop
sipping,
them
sipping,
off to
sipping.
work.
Been sipping, sipping, sipping. Been sipping, sipping, sipping. Feeling like I am tripping, tripping, tripping. No shrooms, no LSD. Sipping on some drink, smoking on that weed. Yes, you know I'm getting super high as I be. Yogi B, yes, you know I do as I please. Never switching, yes, I am getting all my fucking money. Yes, you know that I'm the realest. Young nigga out my city. Yes, you know that I've been by the ocean, I ain't kidding. Wave be crashing, I stay in motion. Yes, you know what I do. Yes, you know I am the dopest. Nigga, I'm a fucking block. Yes, I gotta take a piss, I ain't gonna stop. Hopefully they let me in with no fucking socks, no shoes. I don't know what I'ma do if they don't.
No service, no shoes.
That's what I'm saying. I'm trying to take a piss.
Started, baby. Let's go. Alright.
3, 2, 1, go.
Get that shit. Get that shit. Oh, why you running? Oh, he lost the shoe. He lost
Hey, hold up. Time. No shoes. Hey, no shoes.
Sport mode.
No shoes? Okay, sport mode. Let go, sport mode.
Hey, he was about to get your shit though. Come on now. Let's get that shit.
Bing!
Get that shit.
15. Get in there. Up top. Watch up top.
Oh, get that shit. Read that hoe.
That's time.
Would y'all like to rewatch that?
Nah, I mean,
In all reality,
body shots though, only body shots.
exactly. I just ate. It's in my belly. It's in my body.
Nigga, it's not that bad, nigga. You get
Maybe you're more fit than me.
Y'all ready? It's recording 20 seconds.
Respect.
It's 20 seconds though. You good?
Oh, you and Josiah?
Do both.
It's up to you, Papa. I'm taking off my glasses.
Oh my God.
Oh, to you, Papa.
He wants everything. He
Damn.
wants it all.
You smacked the camera, Gilbert.
Hey, sleep this nigga.
You smacked the camera.
My bad.
Fucking up your own camera.
It's still good. It's viewing.
Yep. You got it.
Hey, he said the
Damn, you burned your shit.
Oh shit.
You still got that fucking Dorito taco?
Oh shit.
Hey, how many you got left? Hey, if there's another one,
Yo.
Yo.
You got the schwack?
Nah.
Hey. 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 Leave. You need to leave. Hold the case for me, please. Weave.
I'm probably gonna lose this one.
Hey, bro, I can believe in you.
Yeah, where is
I just gotta make sure I don't sleep with the other hand.
Yeah, no, I feel that. I have the yo. I fucking
Hurry up. We're recording. Ready? When y'all see it. 1, 2, 3.
Get that
How
shit.
long is
Get
this?
that shit.
20
He
seconds.
got the Glock 40. Oh, get that shit, Chief. Oh, get that. No,
He did it.
Go. Oh, I'm so not used to fucking left. Hey, let's fucking play it, Bear. Oh, you win now.
Alright, that's turn.
That was about to be it. I'm sorry for doing it. You're good. You're good. I know. I was like, oh. Yo, we really.
Who the fuck is that nigga German?
My nigga German Lapicus. He's working at the convenience store now. He works at a Stripes now.
Hey, look, we're out here, real big living, you know what I'm talking about? We pull up to the arcade about like once, twice a week, nigga. We're doing this real thing.
Big vibes,
Chilling with
papa.
everybody, big vibes, you know what I'm saying? All the friends come up to here, everyone be turning up to here. We be drinking, smoking, whatever the fuck you gotta do. But look, this is the vibe from the top to the bottom.
Yes,
Top to the
sir.
bottom. We got our boy Alex up here.
What's good?
Nigga, what's good?
What's good?
Real big dog. We got
Big moves only.
Julian up here from the SA. He's back in the CC now. He's trying to represent. You know what I'm
Yes,
talking about?
sir.
Hey, and then we got Kate.
Who we got?
Little dog.
Who we
big
got?
dog.
Hey.
You know what I'm talking about, Julian? Little sister.
I was little sister.
You know what I'm talking about, height-wise?
I gotta get some tokens too, actually. No cap. Hold on. There's another machine behind us. What?
Is that the same nigga in the same car?
I don't know.
Alright, I'm gone.
Can you do me a favor? There's blue cups over there. Yeah.
Bro, let me see your ID.
My ID?
Yeah, I saw that. I saw the mustache. Look like Jesus for a minute. I will cover all that, but
Yeah.
my boy, what happened to the hair? Why'd you
It's
cut
coming back. It's
You
coming
gonna
back.
grow it back out?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
It was like down to like right here. Where everyone go?
I got you. I went. say is, hey, all I gotta say is, you know what? If you can't stand the heat, get out of the kitchen.